How to manage payment method on Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage payment method on Chrome mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click on this three points here and now click settings, and here you will see this payment methods. Just click on it and now click add card, and here you can add your card and just click done. And if you want to turn this one off, you can turn it off. And as you see, that's how to manage payment methods on Chrome. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.